Hey there neighbors, welcome to the next upgrade, your ultimate guide to upgrading your home into a smart one. In this episode, we'll be listing down some of our favorite smart lights from the most affordable to the most expensive. So whether you're a beginner looking to dip their feet into the colorful world of smart lighting, or a seasoned pro who wants to spoil themselves with premium smart lighting solutions, keep watching. First on today's list, we got the Xiaomi light bulb, which is a little bit more premium than some other smart bulbs at 899 pesos. But what you get for that price is one of the easier to use smart bulbs, since it can be controlled with your phone, voice, or a switch, while also seamlessly integrating with other Xiaomi products. We've covered this bulb several times before, so you can check out these other videos for the details. Pero para sa akin, it's a really great first step for people who want to start a smart home, since you can use a Xiaomi light bulb to create all sorts of different lighting solutions for just 899 pesos. Next up, we got the Goee light strips, which we've also covered in detail in these videos. At just 1,270 pesos for 2 meters, they're actually already one of the more affordable light strips on the market, but deliver premium quality. These light strips can change colors, brightness, and modes, and even sync to your music or your games. You can also use them to create a nice, cozy atmosphere in your bedroom, a party vibe in your living room, or a nice, flashy gaming setup. It's all up to you and how creative you want to get with them. Next up, let's move into smart lights with more aesthetic body designs. Starting with the Lasco floor lamp. This smart floor lamp features a minimalist Nordic design, which allows you to maximize the atmosphere created by its customizable light colors. The Lasco floor lamp can be controlled with your phone, voice, or a remote, and it can also react to sound and music. The Lasco floor lamp costs 2,890 pesos for a single lamp, which is actually pretty reasonable for a Nordic-style lamp. Plus, you can use it in any room that could use some sprucing up. Pati nga sa banyo kung gusto mo eh. Since it has an IP54 rating. So while it will set you back a little, it's a pretty great bargain for all the uses that it has. Next up, we've got the Philips Hue bulb, which is a smart LED bulb that can change colors, brightness, and temperature. It's got a much more premium price than other smart bulbs at 2,990 pesos for a single bulb, but there's a really good reason for that. What sets the Hue bulb apart from others in the market is the fact that it uses Zigbee technology, which is basically a low-power wireless connection that works without adding any load to your Wi-Fi network. That means it uses less power and helps keep your Wi-Fi running extra smooth for other things. Now this is a super cool thing. Each bulb also acts as a signal repeater for other Philips Hue devices in your home, which means you can have an ultra-fast, extremely smooth lighting system in your home. What that means is walang lag, walang delay, and really just a very crispy experience whenever you want to set the mood. And if you add a Philips Hue bridge to the mix, you can create all sorts of exciting lighting modes, including, get this, one that syncs all your lights in your home theater with the colors on your screen. This lighting setup maximizes immersion and puts you front and center in whatever you're watching. If you want to take your smart home's lighting setup to the next level, you can try out a Philips Hue starter kit that comes with 3 bulbs and a Hue bridge. That kit costs 10,390 pesos, but it's quite the bargain considering everything that it comes with. Next, we have the Leva Smart Color, which is just about as aesthetic gets. This smart ceiling light can change colors, brightness, and temperatures like most smart lights, but where it stands out is in its design. The Leva Smart Color is technically 2 smart lights in one, since its main central light and the halo light wrapping around its body can be controlled independently. This high level of versatility allows you to create a sophisticated natural lighting effect in your home. The Leva Smart Color will set you back at 7,300 pesos for a single light, which is honestly a good price for something that can unlock your inner interior designer. The halo part really is a game changer when it comes to creating the perfect ambiance. And you'll probably spend hours finding the perfect timpla for all of your different moods. Plus, it's got an IP54 rating, so you can be sure that it's as sturdy as it is gorgeous. The last and most expensive item on our list is also a familiar one if you're a fan of this show. The Nano Leaf Hexagon is a set of fully customizable smart light panels that can coordinate with each other to create virtually any lighting effect that you want. We cover it in detail in this video, but you've probably also seen it in the backgrounds of your favorite YouTubers and streamers. It syncs to your music, your games, and your movies for greater immersion, and the Hexagon panels can be arranged in all sorts of ways to create stunning works of art. Plus, it's also touch reactive, which is super cool. The Nanoleaf Hexagon costs 12,590 pesos for a starter kit of 9 panels, which is why it's at the very top of our list, but that's also because it really is a customizable piece of art for your home. And that's it for our list of affordable and expensive smart lighting solutions. What smart lights would have made it to your list? Let us know in the comments below. We'll be back next Sunday with an all-new episode of Next Upgrade, so make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and hit that bell button for notifications. See you, neighbors.